down to the dam.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, today we're gonna run the railroad path trail. Pretty flat, I think, the whole way, minus getting down to the Hoover Dam. Outline of that. Oh, 5. Just chilling. You get out here with maybe 3 miles or so, and they have a little restroom, like a picnic. You can really feel the vibe of this run. It's electric. A lot of power, baby. Let's go. Level 5. And that was on the list of my hard things to do today. Run is done.